Well, things has changed. We're actually gonna go test and tune today. I thought it was gonna be all rained out and stuff. It did rain here quite a bit early this morning. Streets here in our road in front of us still look kind of wet. It just doesn't drain well where I'm at. Anyway, but the track just announced, said we're open. So we got everything loaded up. Car's ready to go. It's already warmed up, in fact. So we've been working on it this morning. Still have a few issues with it, but for the most part, it is working pretty good. So we're gonna get going to the track here and see how many passes we can get today. I don't think it's gonna be too busy because the weather's gonna keep a lot of people away. So as soon as Pops gets in here, we're gonna go head on out and see what we can do. So anyway, with that, can't wait to get to the track and see what the car's gonna do. Okay, we did one pass so far, and hope you can see that. Okay, did a 669 with an 8. Woohoo! In the 60s now. 101.51. So anyway, that's first pass. Got everything going. So we're gonna pull the data logs. Methanol looks great. We're not consuming anything. So we're gonna go ahead and pull some logs and see what that looks like. What are you doing? Got Pops here working.
Put fuel in this hungry thing.
Yeah. Hope it wasn't hungry like last time. Okay, what we did, we took 2 degrees out of it, so, hang on a second. Okay, we took 2 degrees out of it, and running at 28 degrees, went up there, did one pass, and it did that. So, ran a 670, almost virtually the same time. So what we're gonna do on this pass, we're gonna add, the 2 degrees back we had in it, add 2 more. So we're gonna go up to 32 degrees on it and see what it likes. So let you know how that goes. Right now the car's doing great. Everything's working as expected. So I am very pleased on the results so far. Anyway, so more to come. Okay, ran a third pass. Guess what? Ran the same time, 670. So we're gonna do a jet change on it real quick. We're gonna go ahead and go up on the size, 4 sizes. I think it has a 146 there. We're gonna go up to a 150. So anyway, see if that changes it. So let's get this carburetor apart and put it on the car and make a pass. Okay, we added, went up on jet sizes, 4 sizes, so it had a 46, went to a 150, okay? Look what it did. It picked up. That's what I was thinking it would do, and it did. So anyway, ran 668 with a 7, 101.71. We got a huge headwind right now. So anyway, I'm very pleased. The results on it, it's kicking butt. So I'm gonna leave it alone, and we're ready for our first bracket race up in Mokan. So with that, man, if you like what you see out here, like what I'm doing or stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave anything in the comment section if you could. I sure do appreciate it. Until then, to the next video for next race, hey, we'll talk to you later.